In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up on OpenAI and obtain your API key. Then, we'll walk through how to integrate it with Lovable AI, step by step. To begin our journey, the first thing you want to do is sign up on OpenAI. If you're new to OpenAI, head over to their website and you'll spot the Sign Up button prominently displayed. Clicking on it will take you through the straightforward sign up process. Typically, this involves entering your basic information, like a valid email address, and setting a strong password. Once you've successfully registered, you're in, and any future logins will be a breeze. After creating your account, now comes the exciting part: obtaining your API key. Navigate to the dashboard. From there, you should see an option typically labeled API keys or something similar. Generating a new API key is generally as simple as clicking a button. Make sure to save your API key in a safe, secure location. Remember, it's like a password. It grants access to the extensive functionalities of OpenAI, so treat it with care. Next, let's shift gears over to Lovable AI to integrate the API. After logging into your Lovable AI account, look for the section typically marked as API Integration Settings. This section is crucial. It's where all the magic happens. Within the settings, you should see a field designated for your OpenAI API key. Go ahead and copy the API key from OpenAI and carefully paste it into this field. Now that your API key is nestled comfortably within the integration settings, it's time to select the desired OpenAI models and features for your project. This step is all about customization based on what you need or what you're curious to explore. OpenAI offers a variety of models, each suited to different tasks, from generating conversational text to more complex data processing. Spend a moment exploring what might best suit your project's goals. Once you've made your selections, the next crucial step is to save and validate the connection. Hit the Save button, ensuring all your settings and configurations are secure. Validation is key here. Run a sample task to test the integration and verify that everything connects and works seamlessly. By running a sample task, you'll get first-hand insight into how the API performs, letting you know if any adjustments may be necessary. And there you have it. By following these steps, you now have a fully integrated OpenAI account with Lovable AI, ready to unlock the full potential of AI-driven projects. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a curious beginner, having this integration set up properly opens the door to innovative possibilities. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Join me next time for more tutorials to expand your knowledge in the vast world of AI technology.